Child, what's he doing?
Circling the camp.
Who is he?
Said Norge or something on the side.
It's Norwegian.
Bennings, go get Childs.
Childs! Mac wants the flamethrower.
Mac wants the what?
That's what he said. Now move!
Damn it. What do you want from me? Ask him.
You buy any of this, Blair?